Welcome to Thadorobot. Discover how smart cameras are transforming. Imagine cameras that not only see, but understand every action on the production floor. These intelligent eyes, powered by Thadorobot, analyze every motion in milliseconds. The system detects risks like slips, unsafe gestures, or missing safety gear instantly. AI identifies hazards before accidents happen, protecting lives and equipment. Every corner is monitored in real time, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed.
AI reacts faster than any human guard, preventing costly or deadly mistakes. Smart vision means fewer errors, higher productivity, and total safety.
Real-world factories using Thadorobot report massive safety improvements. Even in total darkness, AI cameras see what humans can't. Every second, AI learns from data to predict danger before it strikes. It even teaches workers to improve posture and avoid injuries. Smart analytics reveal where accidents are most likely to occur next. No blind spots, no confusion, only perfect awareness. Supervisors receive instant notifications wherever they are. In emergencies, AI becomes the fastest responder. Thadorobot makes safety smart, simple, and engaging for everyone. Aerial AI surveillance covers every inch of the facility 24/7. Centralized intelligence means total control and coordination. It's a brain that links everything, from robots to safety alarms.
Split-second response prevents what could have been a major accident.
Thadorobot systems don't wait for danger, they eliminate it.
AI supervision frees humans from stress while keeping operations flawless.
Thank you. You saved me.
Real people, real safety, powered by real intelligence.
AI doesn't just protect, it saves millions in repairs and insurance. Every movement optimized for safety, energy, and efficiency. The future factory is not just smart, it's self-protecting.
The secret is Thadorobot's advanced microintelligence, built for speed and precision.
One struggles with chaos. The other thrives with safety and control.
Every signal is analyzed and acted on in real time. Thousands of sensors working together to protect thousands of lives. Safer workplaces mean happier workers and higher morale.
Experts agree, this is the next revolution in industrial safety.
Immersive AI tools give humans supervision and super control. Thanks to Thadorobot, families can rest easy, knowing safety never sleeps. From detection to prevention, every step is powered by AI. Subscribe now to Thadorobot for more real tech shaping our world. Join the smart future with Thadorobot. Like, comment, and subscribe today.